Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by preparing the camera so you can see clearly and act fast. Set the body to optical viewfinder mode, attach the lens, and quickly check the diopter so the focus indicators are sharp. Once done, choose AF or MF depending on subject. AF for moving subjects, MF for precise control. Make sure exposure settings are roughly correct so the viewfinder reflects what you'll capture. Hold the camera to your eye with elbows tucked to stabilize the frame before composing. You now compose and lock focus through the viewfinder. Place key subjects on the rule of thirds grid or use the center AF point for speed, then half-press the shutter to lock focus. You'll see focus confirmation in the viewfinder. Once focus is locked, you can recompose while holding that half-press. Just be aware of distance changes that affect depth of field. If you prefer manual focus, turn the focus ring while watching the viewfinder indicators until the subject is crisply rendered. You finish by making the exposure and confirming the result. Fully press the shutter to capture. Switch to continuous mode for sequences. After each shot, glance at the image to verify focus and exposure, then adjust shutter speed, aperture, or ISO as needed. If the viewfinder looks dim or out of focus, check the diopter adjustment, remove any viewfinder cover, and ensure your camera isn't in an EV simulation or display limiting mode. That usually fixes visibility issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.